The scary part is not that Bitcoin dropped. The scary part is that Bitcoin dropped at the same time the AI trade started cracking. When chips sell off, Nasdaq weakens, and Bitcoin cannot bounce. The market is telling us something deeper than one bad red candle. This is not just a Bitcoin story anymore. This is a risk appetite story. For months, AI stocks have been the emotional engine of this market. Investors were willing to pay higher prices because the story felt unstoppable. More chips, more data centers, more AI spending, more growth. But now the market is asking a different question. What if the AI trade became too crowded, too expensive, and too dependent on perfect confidence? That matters for Bitcoin because Bitcoin is not being treated like a safe haven right now. It is being treated like a high beta risk asset. When investors reduce exposure to tech, chips, and crowded growth trades, Bitcoin often gets dragged into the same liquidation basket. So the problem is not only where Bitcoin is trading, the problem is what Bitcoin is trading with. This is why the ETF flow matters so much. If Bitcoin drops but ETF demand stays strong, bulls can argue that institutions are buying the dip. But if Bitcoin drops while ETF flows stay weak, the message changes. It means the market may not be seeing this as a bargain yet. It may be waiting for proof that risk appetite is coming back. The next test is not just Bitcoin support. The next test is whether AI stocks can stabilize. If semiconductors bounce and Bitcoin still cannot reclaim strength, that is a warning. But if chips recover, ETF flows improve, and Bitcoin starts holding higher lows, then this sell-off may turn into a reset instead of a breakdown. So for the US lunch market, watch 4 signals. Watch Bitcoin around the low 60,000 area. Watch semiconductor stocks, especially the AI chip names. Watch ETF flows, because that shows whether institutions are stepping in or stepping away. And watch the dollar and yields, because if macro pressure stays high, every bounce can still become a trap. The headline today is simple. Bitcoin is not falling alone. It is following the AI trade lower. And until the AI trade stops bleeding, Bitcoin bulls may need more than hope. They need confirmation.